Alrighty guys, got this absolute rare gem here. Picked up recently. If you guys are hardcore Polaris TX guys, you'll know exactly what sled this is. This is a 72 Starfire triple. I believe this is a 440 triple. One of the, I guess, fewer models made. They made the 440, the 650, and the 800. So this here is a 440. 72, they went to the closed hood. The 71 is where they had the fin sticking out the hood. And then the pipes are on the outside here. But this is a piece of work for sure. Been sitting for probably 30 years on a shelf in some guy's garage. But they're getting harder to find. This one's pretty much complete. It's got no spark, but I gotta look into the stator. And I think that's what's wrong with it. It ohmed out kind of goofy. The values were way off from what I found online. It's got 890 miles on it. So pretty low mileage for one of these. She's in rough overall shape. Somebody has painted it. You can see that, and the seat's been stitched, but under the hood is all legit. So that's nice. Anyways guys, so under the hood, it's a 3-cylinder like I said. I believe it's a 440. It says EC43 on the mag housing. And these are factory CDI ignition units, the Starfires were. And it also has a rubber track on this one, which was an option. Usually they came with cleated tracks back in the day. But just a really, really unique sled. You don't see these all the time. And it'd be nice to get it going and take it for a ride one of these days. So that'll be fun. Just a cool little clip for you. We'll look into it more in a couple videos.